Hello, my name is Jorge Rueda. I'm the owner and operator here at Vanguard Termite Control. At Vanguard, we protect homes and businesses from termites. We start first with a detailed inspection and customized treatments, then afterwards from prevention to a long-term protection, but with transparency and honesty. What really sets us apart is honesty and thoroughness. And we start by performing a full inspection with our inspectors. Afterwards, we'll let you know what the findings are with those termites, and then we'll create a solution that fits for you and your home. Our team is highly trained and experienced, from our office staff to our inspectors and technicians. We're very professional and we focus on customer care all the time. We back this up with detailed inspections, step-by-step explanations, and warranties so our customers feel completely confident. We stay up to date with the latest pest control practices, treatments, and safety standards. And our team participates in a regular training to ensure we're offering the best solutions. These certifications matter because they prove we don't cut corners and that we hold ourselves accountable to the industry standards. We started with a simple mission: to provide honest and reliable termite control services while treating people with respect. That mission still guides us every day. Most customers worry about hidden costs, unnecessary treatments, or ineffective treatments. We ease those fears by being upfront and transparent. We explain your options, give you honest recommendations, and back everything with our warranty. No surprises, just solutions you can trust. At Vanguard, we use advanced tools and the best equipment, the newest equipment, for our technicians to perform their work properly. We use boroscopes, pretty much cameras that you can look inside the walls. And Vanguard also has a radar sensor device that can detect termites behind these walls. We're the only company in the whole entire Bay Area that has this type of technology. We don't oversell, we explain ourselves clearly, and we back that up with our 5-year full structure warranty, the originators of the 5-year full structure warranty. So if you would like a company that has your back, Vanguard Termite Control is the right choice for you.